Imagine waking up one day and realizing Earth is the last planet standing in the solar system, like the last kid picked for dodgeball, except everyone else is gone, and you're stuck with just the sun. At first, it might seem like a peaceful solo vacation, no more arguing with Venus about who's hotter or dealing with Mars. I'm the most interesting complex. But hold up before you start celebrating your new lonely life. Let's dive into why Earth would be in serious trouble without its planetary squad. It turns out, those cosmic neighbors aren't just along for the ride, they're the unsung heroes making sure Earth doesn't spiral into a chaotic space disaster. Remove them, and Earth would be a hot mess literally. The Goldilocks zone. A delicate balance. To start, one of the key reasons Earth is able to support life is because of its position in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, but just right. This perfect distance from the sun allows for liquid water to exist on our planet, a vital ingredient for life. But Earth's location is not just a random stroke of luck. The other planets in the solar system play a significant role in keeping Earth within this habitable zone. The sun's gravitational pull is not the only force at work here. Without Mercury, Venus, and the other planets in the inner solar system, Earth would be subjected to erratic shifts in its orbit. This could cause the Earth to move closer to or farther from the sun, severely affecting temperatures. If Earth drifted too close, it would be subjected to temperatures high enough to evaporate all water, boiling away the oceans. If Earth moved too far, it would freeze over, making life unsustainable. The delicate balance of forces from neighboring planets, like Venus and Mercury, helps ensure Earth stays within this narrow habitable range. Jupiter and Saturn, Earth's cosmic protectors. While it might seem like the planets in our solar system just hang around doing their own thing, they actually play crucial roles in protecting Earth from the dangers of space. Jupiter and Saturn, in particular, act as our cosmic bodyguards. These massive planets have enormous gravitational fields that attract and deflect asteroids and comets that could potentially collide with Earth. Their gravitational shield prevents us from facing constant bombardment by space debris, a threat that could easily cause catastrophic impacts. Jupiter, being the largest planet in the solar system, has a gravity field strong enough to capture and deflect large asteroids or comets that might otherwise cross into Earth's path. Without these massive planetary shields, Earth would face a far higher risk of asteroid impacts, potentially on a weekly or monthly basis. In fact, Jupiter has been called the vacuum cleaner of the solar system due to its ability to suck in debris that would otherwise pose a threat to Earth. Without this protection, Earth could be bombarded with space rocks, which could lead to repeated mass extinction events, drastically altering the course of evolution on Earth. The Moon, more than just a pretty face. You might think the Moon is just a beautiful nighttime feature, but its role in maintaining life on Earth is far more significant than you might realize. The Moon's formation is believed to have been the result of a massive collision between Earth and another object early in the solar system's history. Without the gravitational pull of the other planets, such a collision might never have occurred. The Moon is not just a rock in the sky, it plays an essential role in stabilizing Earth's tilt. Earth's axial tilt, which is currently about 23.5 degrees, is responsible for the changing seasons. Without the Moon's gravitational influence, this tilt could vary dramatically over thousands of years, causing extreme temperature swings. In turn, these shifts would make it difficult for life to thrive on Earth. The Moon also plays a key role in controlling ocean tides, which are crucial for marine ecosystems and coastal life. Tides help regulate the distribution of nutrients in the ocean, which is vital for the survival of marine organisms. If the Moon were to disappear, the Earth's tides would vanish as well, potentially leading to the collapse of marine life and the entire ecosystem that relies on it. Earth's orbit, a wild ride through space. Now, let's talk about Earth's orbit. Currently, the gravitational forces of other planets keep Earth in a predictable, steady orbit around the Sun. But if Earth were the only planet left in the solar system, those forces would no longer exist. Without the gravitational pull from the other planets, Earth could begin to drift aimlessly through space. The solar system's planets, particularly the gas giants, create a sort of cosmic web that holds Earth in place, ensuring its orbit remains stable and predictable. If this gravitational influence were removed, Earth could either drift closer to the Sun or move away, leading to dangerous temperature fluctuations. A closer orbit would bring scorching heat, while a distant orbit would freeze Earth into a frozen wasteland. With no other planets to help maintain the orbit, Earth could end up spinning wildly off course, eventually plunging into deep space or being drawn too close to the Sun, where it would be fried by excessive heat. Either way, the balance that keeps Earth in its current orbit is key to maintaining life as we know it. A perfectly tuned cosmic machine. When you step back and look at the big picture, it becomes clear that our solar system is like a finely tuned machine. Each planet plays an essential role in maintaining the delicate balance that allows Earth to thrive. From stabilizing our position in the Goldilocks zone to protecting us from space debris, the other planets are unsung heroes in making Earth the perfect home for life. The solar system is a dynamic system where the planets interact in such a way that their gravitational forces create a kind of cosmic symphony. Each planet's mass, position, and gravitational pull contribute to maintaining stability in the system. Jupiter's strong gravity, for example, helps to protect Earth from potential asteroid impacts, while Saturn's rings may serve to absorb space debris that could otherwise disrupt our peaceful existence. The system works like a delicate clock, with every planet's position carefully calibrated to ensure that Earth remains in the ideal conditions for life. Without any of these planets, Earth would quickly fall out of balance and life would cease to exist. In other words, Earth relies not just on its own characteristics, but on the gravitational relationships with its cosmic neighbors to sustain life. Fun facts about planets. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of fun facts about the planets that will leave you amazed. First, Venus is unlike any other planet in our solar system because it rotates on its side. This unusual tilt makes Venus unique, as most planets spin in a regular, upright fashion. Venus, however, does a complete flip, meaning its day lasts longer than its year. While it takes Venus about 243 Earth days to complete a full rotation on its axis, its orbit around the Sun takes only 225 Earth days. So, in a sense, a single day on Venus is longer than an entire year. The planet's extreme tilt also causes it to rotate in the opposite direction of most planets, making its sun rise in the west and set in the east quite a bizarre sight. Now, let's talk about Neptune, which holds the title for having the fastest winds in the solar system. With speeds reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, that's over 1,300 miles per hour. Neptune's winds are faster than the speed of sound. These supersonic winds whip around Neptune's upper atmosphere with incredible force, creating massive storms and powerful turbulence. The sheer energy of Neptune's winds makes it one of the most dynamic and unpredictable planets in our solar system, showcasing just how extreme the forces of nature can be beyond Earth. And that's a wrap on our cosmic journey. If you enjoyed exploring the wild world of our solar system, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Who knows what other planetary secrets we'll uncover next? Stay tuned and keep orbiting with us.